All right, good morning. So we are going to go over a couple of things. So the first part we're going to talk about is x and y intercepts. So the x-intercept is the point where the line crosses the x-axis. So if you're on a coordinate plane, okay, the x-axis is where it moves left to right. So any point here where a line crosses, it's called the x-intercept. And so to write it as a coordinate, it is whatever the x value is, comma 0. So to find it from an equation, you plug in 0 for y and solve for x. Okay, same thing with y-intercept, but now it's the other way. So the y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. The point is 0, comma b, and again, y means it's vertical, goes up and down. So to find, you plug 0 in for x, and then you solve for y. So if we take a look at the example of the line drawn here, we need to find both the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So let's go ahead and do so. So the x-intercept is going to be this point here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is considered your x-intercept. So to write it, my x value is 4, therefore my y value is 0. Okay? Now to write my y-intercept, you are going to go ahead and count on the y-axis. So this goes -1, -2. This is located at -3. So my y value is at -3, and my x value is at 0. So this is where my x-intercept is. This is where my y-intercept is. All right, with this being said, let's go ahead and practice doing it from an equation. So now, remember, you can pause the video at any point that you need. So example, find the x and y-intercept from 3x minus y equals 6. So let's start with the x-intercept. So we want to solve for x, so 3x minus, now we're going to put 0 in for y, equals 6. Why are we putting 0 in for y? Because we know that our x-intercept is going to be some number where our y value is going to be 0. So this goes away. So I'm left with 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by 3, and so I get x to be 2. So my x-intercept is at 2, 0. Now, what about my y-intercept? So now let's go ahead and find that. So if I am solving for y, that means I'm looking for my y value, so my x value is 0. So let's write the equation, but let's make x 0, because that's what an intercept is. Okay? So 3 times 0 is 0. So I'm left with minus y equals 6. Well, remember, this means a minus 1y. So to get y by itself, I need to divide -1 on both sides. And so y is equal to -6. Therefore, my y-intercept is at 0, -6.